you've ever come past this type of corrosion, you've been exposed to fretting corrosion. Now, fretting corrosion is an interesting one because it's not something that you see a lot. I mean, even me, an engineer working in industry, I don't really see this type of corrosion a lot, but it can be very damaging. If you saw that little picture, I'll put it back up here again, you can see that there's a little bit of corrosion on the outside of a bearing. Now, if you know anything about rolling element bearings, usually all the movement's happening inside where the rolly balls are, rolling on the raceway. That's where stuff can happen, but there shouldn't be this type of corrosion on the outside of the bearing. Now, what this indicates actually is what's known as fretting corrosion. Basically, you have these small micro movements on the outside. You can see there where it's fitting inside that casing. Clearly, there's a little bit of vibration, a little oscillation going on there, and that's causing the actual surfaces of the materials to rub together, rubbing off any, let's say there's an anti-corrosive coating, anything like that. And actually what you get is there's little peaks and troughs in the materials, and they're busy scratching at each other, exposing the root material. Now, any little bit of, let's say, a little bit of moisture or anything like that, a little bit of hydrogen production, that can get in there and actually embrittle the root material and cause it to fail prematurely.